Picture two identical apartments. In the first lives someone making $95,000 a year. Their place is packed with a massive TV, an expensive sofa, and closets bursting with unworn clothes. But behind closed doors, they are severely stressed out, literally two missed paychecks away from a total financial crisis. Now, step next door. This person makes $52,000 a year, almost half as much. But their place breathes. It holds only what they actually use. When they check their bank account, they feel absolute peace because they have 18 months of living expenses completely saved. How does the person making half the money have 10 times the financial security? It is not about income. It is about the hidden cost of your stuff. Everything you own actually costs you money twice. The first cost is the price tag at the store. The second cost is the storage, maintenance, and mental energy required to keep it. That treadmill acting as a clothes hanger is costing you hundreds of dollars a year in implicit rent just to take up space in your home. To become financially untouchable, you must change how you measure value by calculating the cost per use. A $200 jacket worn twice costs you $100 every time you put it on. But a $400 jacket worn every day costs barely $1 a wear. Next, apply the replacement test to everything you currently own. If an item magically disappeared today, would you actually go out and spend money to buy it again? If the honest answer is no, let it go. Finally, you must define what enough looks like before your income goes up. If you don't draw a finish line, your spending will always rise to eat your raises. True wealth is not measured by the physical stuff you accumulate. It is measured by your optionality, the freedom to walk away from a bad job, handle an unexpected emergency, or completely change your life path. Stop trading your future freedom for things you don't even really want. If this breakdown helps you, please consider like and subscribe to the channel.